Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss Sophos UTM. Right, so what is the Sophos UTM? Sophos UTM is the ultimate network security package with everything you need in a single modular application. It simplifies your IT security without the complexity of multiple point solutions. The initiative interface will help you quick to create policies to control security risks and clear. A detailed report will give you the site you need to improve your network performance and protection. Alright, so the use of Sophos. The Sophos is used to configure a fundamental securities like a firewall, network tools, routing, and secure remote access and other modular approaches let you add a layer protection as you are needed. Now we are going to discuss some security applications that provide by the Sophos. Sophos provide a network protection, web protection, email protection, web server protection, sandbox, and a wireless protection. So we're going to discuss first the network protection. Network protection stops the sophisticated attacks that firewall cannot not able to can't stop, and it also configure an intrusion protection system and flood protection against the denial of service attack. ATP combines multiple technologies to identify the block outgoing traffic to command and control hosts and combine with the web to add the cloud-based selective sandboxing to constantly improve protection. In the email protection, it stops the spam and virus keeps it stops the spam and viruses and keeps the sensitive data safe, and it also provides the simple infrastructure, free email encryption and policy based protection sense so it can secure the sensitive data and let it also let the user manage their spam quarantine and search a personalized mail log. In a web server protection, hardware, web servers, and apps ensuring compliance with the web application firewall, and it also device proxy authentication provides an added layer of the security for enterprise application. It also prevents the hacking from SQL or the cross site scripting, directory travels, or a cookie tampering, and much more. In a web protection, it lets you protect your employees from the web threat and control that time online. And it can also limit the use of unwanted applications while giving priority to the business and critical resources. Uses the policy tracer to check if your policy is working or and create dynamic reports for the policies so you can manage all the policies. Here are some security features that the Sophos UTM provides. Sophos provides SD-RAID, Wi-Fi access point, VPN client, and a free UTM manager. So in the Sophos SD-RAID, simply the secure your branch office by forwarding all the traffics to the central Sophos UTM installation and require no technical trainings and there is no ongoing maintenance on it. So and in the Wi-Fi access point, configuration-less access points are instantly protected by the UTM and let you create the secure mesh networks. And in the VPN clients, secure SSL, IPsec, or another the unique likeness like the Amazon, and you can also use the Microsoft Azure HTML5. It's going to provide a VPN, mobile, and home worker with a secure remote access from any location at any time. Okay, so now we are gonna see the my configuration which I did like a site-to-site VPN using the SSL protocol, the SSL layer. So we're gonna see that. Here I already get the Sophos UTM machines and I'm gonna access it by the Windows 10 machine. So in the Chrome, I'm just gonna type the web admin's address, and I'm gonna authenticate the passwords. Right. So when you log in, it's gonna show up the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see the various applications on the right, on the left side of you, and it also shows the model of the Sophos, and it's going to also show you the version and the license ID, installed interface on the PC, and it is providing advanced threat protections without any cost. And here you can see the current system configuration. Whichever is the active applications right now, it's going to show that in this panel. And it's going to also show you the resource usage, that like how many resources are right now using the PC. Now we are going to see my configuration in the site-to-site VPN. I created the SSL. So here I have created two SSL connections. One is the server connection and one is the client connection. In the server connection, you can see over here, like I have two local networks, Waterloo and Kitchener, and I have one remote network, Toronto and just a Toronto. If you want to add a new networks, you can just click on the plus and type the network name or and the network subnets over here and just save it. Right now I have both of them. uh, to create a server connection, you don't need any configuration file or anything. You just need to type the name of the server and just add the networks that you want in. And here there is a very good option about the automatic firewall rules. You can just click on it, or you can select the rules as per your needs. So for the connection that I made for the client, in the client connection, you need to have like a configuration file with you. Like when you create a server connection, it's gonna show you over here that the configuration file for the remote tunnel endpoint. So you can download that server connection file, and you just browse from the configuration file in the client's connections. So after making both of connection, just turn on both of the connections, and if your configuration is right, on the dashboard, it's gonna show you the site-to-site VPN is activated two of the two tunnels. So it's like the end-to-end tunnel over here. In the SSL, the tunnel endpoints are either a client or a server. So it's gonna work both way. We can also generate a report about the configuration we made. So here it's going to show all the configuration that I made on this device, and it's kind of a live log file. So whatever the operations you perform is going to show over here. To back out the site-to-site VPN plan, if you don't want the tunnels to be active, just turn off the tunnels, or you can, and if you don't want any more the tunnels anymore, you can just click on the delete and click OK. So it's going to delete your tunnels and the connections too. Here I added the networks from the definition and users. In the network definitions, I added my networks over here, so I can easily grab any network from here and just add in the connections. So it's gonna easy for you to add network definitions over here. So it's gonna easy for you to get in the any of the applications that you needed. At the end, don't forget to log off the web admin. Alright, so that's it for today. In this video, we covered what is Sophos, use of Sophos, application that provide by Sophos UTM, and the security features. And we also saw my configuration about the site-to-site VPN using SSL. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video.